Welcome back to the channel. Got an easy one for you this week. If you're making your own cutting boards or charcuterie boards, or maybe you got one in your house you bought a little while back, you're going to want to keep them protected. So this week I'm going to show you how I make board butter. So to start off, you're going to need a couple things. You're going to want some food safe mineral oil, some pure beeswax, then a measuring cup, a knife or something to break up your beeswax if you don't have it in pellet form, a mixing bowl, and a cutting board. In this case, we got one that definitely could use a lot of love. So the first thing we're going to want to do here is break up our beeswax. The beeswax I'm using here is measured out in individual ounces. And I'm just going to go ahead and use a kitchen knife to break it all up into smaller pieces. This is going to help the beeswax melt more evenly when we heat it up with the mineral oil. Now the recipe I use for board butter is a 4-to-1 mix ratio. That being 4 parts mineral oil to 1 part beeswax. So in this recipe here, we're just using 2 ounces of beeswax and 4 ounces of mineral oil. Nice and simple. Now to melt everything together, I like to use a crock pot. So what I do is I fill it up about halfway with water, and then I take the mixing bowl with the beeswax and mineral oil, and I just go ahead and float it in the water that's in the crock pot, and I let everything melt together. In this case, it took about an hour. Now I like to do this in a crock pot as opposed to over the stove. The reason for that is it lessens your chances of burning your board butter. And wouldn't you know it, that's really all there is to making board butter. So get yourself a clean container once everything has been melted together, and then just pour your board butter into it. And if you had yourself something like an Etsy shop where you were selling some of your wood product, this is a really cheap way to give your customers a free gift that'll also help them protect the cutting boards, serving boards, charcuterie boards that they're buying off you. And to that, if you look at the price that they're selling board butter on places like Amazon or any other spot online or in stores, and then look at the overall cost of some food safe mineral oil and beeswax, you're really making this stuff for pennies on the dollar, and it doesn't take all that much time. So if you made it this far, I really want to thank you. Hopefully this video was of some value to you, even though it was pretty short. Anyways, I got some bigger projects coming up in the next couple of weeks, so if you want to subscribe to see those, that'd be great. And if this video helped you at all, maybe leave a like. Anyways, thanks again for stopping by, and I'll hopefully see you in the next video.